As a Mac user, sometimes us amateur radio operators are left out of software. What I'm going to show you today is how to use something called Wine to do just this. Click on an app icon and start running your Windows programs on macOS without the need for virtualization or virtual machines or dual booting. The first thing you're going to need is Xcode, which is a free download from the Mac App Store. Go ahead and install that. Next, open up your Utilities folder, start the Terminal app, and we're going to need to install some software repositories which will allow us to download the applications required to run these Windows apps. The software repository we're going to be using is called Homebrew. So enter in the command shown on the screen, enter in your password, and it will download and install everything required to be able to use that repository. Next, we're going to run the command brew doctor. This is going to let us know if there are any further dependencies that need to be downloaded in order for us to use Homebrew. As we can see, my Xquartz is out of date, and we're going to take care of that a little bit later. Next, we're going to issue the command brew caskroom/cask, which will download a listing of the software available in this repository. Now we'll use Homebrew to install Java and Xquartz, which are required in order to run Wine. Once again, you'll need to enter in your password, and the software will go out and fetch all the required files before installing them. Now check to make sure it installs successfully, but if you get an error like I do here, you can just try and reinstall each program individually. Here I'll install Java, and the download picks up right where it left off. And when it finishes up successfully, you'll get a nice little beer mug. Cheers. Now we'll repeat the same thing to install Xquartz, which is the windowing system that will be used by the Windows applications. Once again, the beer mug means everything was successful, and you're all ready to install Wine, but we'll have to wait for the next episode for that.